Recording in progress.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Top SST. Today we are going to cover the map work from minerals and energy resources. This chapter is from geography. So we have this chapter is only for map work. Okay, no question answer, no case based, no source based question, nothing is going to come. You need to just learn the map work from this chapter. So definitely from this chapter 1 marks map work is going to come, because as you know that this chapter they have kept only for the map work. So it's map work, it's very easy. It's only like practice. If you do practice every day, and as it is India's map which is going to come, first thing you need to understand you need to understand which state is where. Okay, and then you need to learn which all places are from which state. So that makes very easy the map work when you are going to learn map work. So remember that from which state that place is there. So it will be very easy for you to remember, and everyday practice will keep you keep all the places in your mind. So it is very important that practice so that you will able to do the map work in the exam. So iron and ore mines and mica mines. Okay, so if I look at the most important thing in the iron ore mills, it is Mayurbhanj, which is very, very important. Then you have Durg, which is very important, Kudramukh and Baleri. So these four places have some or other way it has come for the exam. So very important is these four, but it is always important whichever is prescribed by the CBSE, we should learn all the places. But these four places for the iron ore mines is very, very, very important. So let's see, where is Mayurbhanj? Mayurbhanj is here. Okay, this is your Mayurbhanj. Okay, so this place, if you look at, this is the edge of here. So this is your, this is your Mayurbhanj. Next is Durg. Durg, this is your Durg. Okay, then Baleda, it is just below Durg. Then Bareilly, it's in the border. Okay, it's in the border of Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. So it's in the border. This is your Baleri, and then Kudramukh, again Kudramukh is in the Karnataka. Okay, so I hope you have understood the iron ore mines, which is very important. As I told you that it is very important that you need to learn the places with the help of the state. So if you are going to learn with that, it will make you remember the places. Okay, as I told you, see Kudramukh, so you need to immediately remember that, okay, Kudramukh is in Karnataka. Okay, so which is very important. Okay, so like that you need to learn. Next is our mica mines. Okay, so when we look into mica mines, so Ajmer and Bivar, these are the two places which is in Rajasthan. Okay, these places are in Rajasthan. So this is my Rajasthan. So Ajmer is middle. Okay, it's if I divide this into north, south, and east, south, and west. So Ajmer is here, and just below that I have Bevar. Then I have Nellore. Okay, so Nellore again. Where is Nellore? Nellore is in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, next is Gaya. This is my Gaya, and Gaya is in Bihar. Okay, just below, it's in the southernmost area, Bihar is there. And then Hazaribagh is below Bihar, which is my this state. This is my Jharkhand. So this is your mica mines, and this is your iron ore mines. So you need to remember with the state which all places are there. Okay, so as I told you, Bevar and Ajmer is in Rajasthan. Okay, like that, Gaya is in Bihar. Okay, then below Bihar, which is the state, it's the place is Hazaribagh, and the name of the state is Jharkhand. Okay, so these are the two things which we have seen. Next one, coal mines and oil field. So under the coal mines, which all are the very, very important places. Talcher is very important. Singrauli is very important. Neyveli is very important. Then your Raniganj is very important, and Bokaro. Actually, if you see, all the places are important, but these are the most important places. Let's see where all these places are located. Raniganj is here. So, which is the state? This is my West Bengal. So, Raniganj. So, if you look at these three places, it is very easy to learn. How it is very easy? So, if I know Raniganj is in the West Bengal extreme. Okay, it's just below the border of my Jharkhand. Okay, Jharkhand, West Bengal. Okay, so Raniganj just thoda sa chhod ke you have that is Jharia and then Bokaro. Okay, so these three places are in the same line. Okay, next one is my Talcher. Talcher, where is Talcher? Talcher is in Odisha. Okay, so this is my Talcher. Then Cobra is in Chhattisgarh. Okay, Singrauli is in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, so if you look at these, all places are nearby. So you can just remember the state and thoda sa idhar udhar ho jayega to chalega, but you cannot change the state. Okay, suppose for example, if Talcher is almost in the northeast, okay, you cannot mark it in the southern part. Okay, so agar Talcher yahan pe and agar aapne yahan pe mark kiya, that is okay. Okay, but you cannot mark the place. You cannot like north ko south mein nahi kar sakte. Whichever state we are learning, you need to first divide that state into north, south, west and east. It is very important. And then you need to, suppose for example, okay, here I'll take the example of Kalol. Okay, Kalol is a oil field. So suppose if I divide this into north, south, west and east. So Kalol is somewhere in the east and southern part of the Gujarat. Okay, so like that you need to learn. Next is Mumbai High and Basin. It is in the it's in the Arabian Sea. Okay, Arabian Sea, Maharashtra ke just thode se is taraf. Then you have Neyveli, Tamil Nadu mein hai Neyveli. Then Singrauli is again, it's not in the border, but it's in Telangana. तेलंगाना के सबसे कॉर्नर में बॉर्डर से ऊपर. Okay, then Ankleshwar is in, again it is in Gujarat. Very, very famous oil field. Okay, it is very, very famous oil field. And Digboli and this one is in Assam. Okay, so the Digboli is also very important. This place is also always comes in the exam. Next is thermal power station. Thermal power plant, again, Uran, it's in Maharashtra. Vijayawada, we all know that Vijayawada is Vijayawada, it's in Andhra Pradesh. Then you have Telangana, Ramagunj. Then Talcher, again, Talcher is the same. Talcher can come as a thermal power station. All the Talcher can come as a coal field. So it's a same thing. So this is again a repeated one. Singrauli again repeated one. Nipur is one of the again very important thermal power station. Okay, so these all are the important thermal power station. This is not important. If you don't learn also, that's okay. Next one, nuclear power station. Okay, nuclear power station, most important is Narora, which is in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, Rawat Bhata, again important, which is in Rajasthan. Okay, Tarapur, which is in Maharashtra. Then Kalinga, which is in Karnataka. Kalpakam, very important, which is in Tamil Nadu. Okay, so Karapaka, again it is in Maharashtra, the northern part of the Maharashtra. So okay, so if you look at nuclear power station, it's very easy. If you look at it is just like this. If you mark, it is, Okay, so you need to remember the states. Like for example, Rawat Bhatia is Rajasthan, it is in Gujarat, this is in Maharashtra, this is in Karnataka, this is in Tamil Nadu. So like this, if you are going to learn, it will be very easy. And remember, it is just like that. Okay, so if you look at this one, it is in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, so Uttar Pradesh followed with Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, and ends in Tamil Nadu. So this is all the map work which you need to do it from minerals and energy resources. In next video, we will be looking into manufacturing industries. Till that, keep practicing maps. It's very important. Thank you.